The only time you can ever get a Kit Kat to actually, well, make the advertised crunch noise that it always seems to make in the commercial, you have to freeze it. Now, this is one frozen Kit Kat. Let me put the camera down real quick. The only Kit Kat that will ever crunch is one that is frozen, so it's kind of cheating a bit. Turn the flashback on so you can see that it's a Kit Kat. So you can real chocolate. So let's break it and listen to it. So listen for the break noise. Heard that crunch or crack. And let's crunch it. See how loud it can get when you crunch it. That's about as loud as it get when you chew it. That's about it.